Welcome to Sadbhavna News and I am Poonam Sharma. The government on Sunday said over 1 crore unorganized workers have registered on e-Shram portal since its launch on August 26. The portal was launched last month to prepare a comprehensive database of unorganized workers from different sectors like construction, apparel, manufacturing, fishing, gig and platform work, street vending, domestic work, agriculture and allied, transport sector among others. In almost 24 days, more than 1 crore or 10 million workers have registered at the portal. As of today, 1 crore 3,12,095 workers have registered in the portal. Of these, around 43% of the beneficiaries are female and 57% are male, the Ministry of Labour and Employment said in a release. Registration on the portal will help the large number of migrant workers engaged in these sectors take the benefits of various social security and employment-based schemes. Union Minister of Labour and Employment Bhupender Yadav, Minister of State Rameshwar Teli, the Secretary of the Ministry Apurva Chandra and other regional officers are interacting with the unorganized workers and leaders of trade union and media to sensitize them about the features and benefits of the portal, the release said. Bihar, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal have seen the highest number of registrations under the initiative, while smaller states and union territories are behind as they have lesser number of workforce. Giving details about the registered workers, it said around 48% of them are in the age group of 25 to 40 years, followed by around 21% registration in the age group of 40 to 50 years. While 19% registration have been in the age group of 16 to 25 years, 12% has been in the age group of 50 years and above. The government said the common service centers have been facilitating registration on the portal, with nearly 68% registrations taking place through them. Workers are encouraged to visit their nearest CSCs to register themselves at the portal and take advantage of this exercise, which would lead to greater portability and last mile delivery of various welfare programs. Migrant workers in particular would immensely benefit from this. After registration at e-Shram portal, the workers receive a digital e-Shram card and they can update their profiles through portal or mobile app. They get a universal account number on e-Shram card that will be acceptable across the country and they will not be required to register at different places for obtaining social security benefits. If a worker is registered at the e-Shram portal and meets with an accident, he or she will be eligible for ₹2 lakh on death or permanent disability and ₹1 lakh on partial disability, the release said. Powered by Arthros Clinic, a dedicated center for arthroscopy and sports injuries.